Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So really excited. A few weeks ago, maybe a couple months ago at this point, Fragrant Jewels reached out and they finally noticed me and they know who I am and they wanted to send me some products. So I'm going to show you what they sent to me. That way I can have them as a thank you, whatever, review them, do ring reveals, whatever I want to do. I wasn't sure what this was when I first opened it and I saw the name of one of the products and I was like, yeah, I didn't order that. So this must be the box that they sent me. So I stopped, grabbed my camera. So I'm going to show you what's inside. Kind of heavy. These kind of feel like body scrubs. I think they're supposed to have sent me some of like the best sellers, so we'll see. Or some of the fan favorites. Wild Cherry. So this I actually just got for a rare. So this is a rare set, and this one comes with mini bath bombs. I have a demo of them. I don't know at this point if it went up on my channel yet. It probably did by the time you're watching this, so you can see the jewelry that's in here. That's really exciting. These smell good. Definitely have a good Wild Cherry scent. Next item is Wanderlust, and this is their sugar scrub. If you haven't tried their sugar scrub, I highly recommend it. It is packed with oils and it's one of my favorite body scrubs from any company, honestly. Love it. Oh, I think a bath bomb just dropped. Ah yes, Unicorn Tears. That's a fun one. Very colorful. And if you put in Mama Mittens in the name of any Fragrant Jewel product, you will see a demo from me. So I don't know what I'll do with these, if I'll put them all in one video or how I'm going to do the ring reveals, but definitely stay tuned because I will show you what's in here. And then I'm going to go ahead and move angles and take these boxes out so you can see what's inside. There is actually one more bath bomb tucked in there, and it is Queen of Diamonds. Very pretty bath bomb. This one smells really good too. So I got those, and then I think I got matching candles for some of them. So we'll go ahead and open it. Yep, this looks like the rare Wild Cherry candle. So I'll go ahead and pull that out. I'll fast forward it so you don't have to hear all the paper crumbling, and I'll show you what the candle looks like for that one. And here's the candle with a lid, bright red wax, smells really good. Definitely does have a cherry scent. And the card just tells you a little bit about the collection on front and that it included the mini bath bombs and the candle. Doesn't tell you the fragrance notes. They never do for the rares, which I wish they did, but for this one you don't really need it because it does smell like cherries. So this one I believe is the Queen of Diamond candle based on the sticker on the outside. So I will go ahead and unwrap that one. And the Queen of Diamonds candle, which is in a really soft frosted pink jar, pink wax, and a bunch of mica on top. So that is what I got in my little unboxing that they sent me. Thank you so much, Fragrant Jewels. And I think I will do another video doing all the demos at once. Maybe that's what I'll do. So stay tuned if you want to see what rings come inside these products. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.